Global Motors will host its very first car show.
Uyiphethe imali yami. Angithi ayikho into ezobuyela kuthina.
Nake bani ngephutha. Angeke ngize ngikwazi ukwe-approve le permit.
Chase on, baby! What a success today has been, and it's all because of me.
Thengisa ukuthi khamba njani?
Asitshwere rekiši mara rena le di-inquiry tše dingwe tše di strong ke yona.